Good day everyone. This is the practice task number 2 of Group 5 in qualification of footwear making superseded in situ. This table presents the demographic profile of the trainees, which help us understand who the learners are and how training activities should be designed to suit their needs. The demographic profile shows that the training involved 25 participants, a manageable number that allows effective supervision and interaction. The trainees are 18 to 25 years old, indicating that the training activities can be hands-on and fast-paced. The group consists of both male and female trainees, highlighting the needs for equal participation and inclusivity. Most of the trainees are senior high school graduates, suggesting that instructions should be simple, clear, and supported with demonstrations to ensure better understanding and skill development.
This is the trainees profiling table for footwear making and C2. Nandito yung sa professional factors, profile, and yung sa implications. Yung next naman is yung sa motivation factors. Sa motivation factors, nandito naman yung sa motivation factors, yung profile, and yung sa implications. Yung nasa motivation factors is yung why choose footwear making and C2, what is the goal after the training, and do you want to improve your skills. For the profile is interested in shoemaking, to get job or to start a small own business. And then for implication naman is high possibility engagement and activities. Training should include entrepreneurship and learners are open to feedback.
Learning profile table, learning factor, first, how to learn best, profile, hand-on demonstrate, and the implication, use a practical activity. Second, can understand writing interaction, profile, basic to average, and the implication, use a visual aid and diagram. Third, how fast to learn new skill, profile, moderate, and the implication, providing a step-by-step interaction. Resource factor. First is the training area conducive, profile yes, and the implication the training area is a safe and effective learning environment. Second, do have access to a basic tools, profile limited task, implication, training center must also provide the tools needed. Third, have material for practice, profile providing by the training, and the implication ensuring sufficient supply.